je suis sur mon temps de midi et on va jouer à The Walking Dead saison 1. Alors, j'ai choisi ce jeu parce que, d'une part, je suis une grande fan de Walking Dead, la série. J'ai pas lu les comics, mais la série, franchement, je la regarde toutes les semaines quand elle est diffusée et je ne manque jamais un épisode. Je crois que j'ai un épisode toutes les saisons. J'avais même recommencé à la regarder sur Netflix. Et voilà, et donc j'aime beaucoup déjà aussi les zombies. De manière générale, je suis très fan de zombies. Et j'ai vu Walking Dead, en tout cas la saison 2, était très très bien notée. Du coup, ça m'a donné envie d'y jouer, d'essayer. Et comme avant la saison 2, il y a la saison 1, je vais commencer donc par le début. Alors, je sais pas du tout quel jeu. J'ai regardé aucune vidéo, je sais pas du tout. Donc, on va voir, ça va être la grande découverte. Ok. Je vais jouer en standard. Il est midi 20, je vais jouer 1 heure. Ah! Donc c'est aussi un jeu avec des choix qui auront une influence sur le futur. Pas mes vidéos, je joue aussi à The Lion, qui à mon avis, Walking Dead, ça y ressemble un peu pour ça. Épisode 1, un nouveau jour. Le graphisme est sympa. Je vais peut-être baisser un peu le son, j'ai peur qu'il y ait un écho.
Well, I reckon you didn't do it then.
Ouh, les sous-titres sont tout petits. Attendez, je vais m'approcher un peu parce que là je vois rien du tout de là où je suis. Le silence est une option valide.
Nope, definitely not. You know, I've driven a bunch of fellas down to this prison. Lord knows how many. Usually it's about now I get the, I didn't do it.
Not from me.
'Cause guys in your position already said it enough.
We got what looks like a 1091E near Peach Tree, exit 285. All cars asking to be on the lookout for 91B in the area.
Ok. Appuyez sur.
I followed your case a little bit, you being a making boy and all.
Qu'est-ce que t'en penses? Tu viens de Nikon, donc tu as une opinion.
You've got an opinion then?
Ah oui, il y a un temps.
Wouldn't say that. I go in for that innocent till proven guilty thing, even considering who they say you killed.
Be advised, medical personnel en route to Hartsfield, various meds and 20 coming in.
I got a nephew up at UGA. You teach there long?
Going on my 6th year.
You meet your wife in Athens? You wanna know how I see it?
C'est ça?
I got much choice?
Sure don't. Regardless, could be you just married the wrong woman.
C'est de leur faute.
Riot in progress.
Ah, c'est marrant, il a pas dit, mais on l'a vu.
I'm driving this man once. He was the worst one. He wouldn't stop going on about how he didn't do it. He was an older fella, big soft eyes behind a pair of smart folk glasses. And he just wailing back there. Says it wasn't him. Crying and snotting all over right where you're sitting.
Officers are available for incoming 217.
Then before long, he starts kicking the back of the seat like a fussy baby on an airplane. And I tell him he's got to stop. That that's government property, and I'll be forced to zap him otherwise. So he stops, and having exhausted all his options, he starts crying out for his mama. Mama, it's all a big mistake. It wasn't me.
Maybe he was innocent.
Innocent? They caught the fucker red-handed, stabbing his wife, cutting her up as the boys came through the door. He sits in my car screaming bloody murder that it wasn't him. I think he actually believed it himself. It goes to show, people will up and go mad when they believe their life is over. Oh, I got another good one for you. This one's a little bit less depressing and a bit more hilarious, if I do say so. This other time...
Il arrête pas de parler. Putain.
Oh, shit. Thirsty. Ah! Fuck! My leg.
Utilisez l'électrique pour regarder autour de vous et essayer de sortir de la voiture. Regardez un fusil. Attends, je vais quand même regarder autour de moi. Ah, elle est trop sensible.
Why the hell did he have his gun out?
Putain, il est vraiment sensible mon joystick là.
Hey! Hey, officer! Are you alright? I'm still cuffed back here!
Fais gaffe mec, il va
Officer?
se relever.
He wasn't ejected from the car. He's not moving. He must have the handcuff keys on him.
Ah. Attends, je veux juste voir.
He must have the handcuff keys on him. He must have the handcuff keys on him.
Ok, donc je vais officiellement casser cette vitre. Allez mec.
I need to drag myself out that window.
Déplacez-vous vers la fenêtre en utilisant le joystick de gauche.
I need to drag myself out that window.
Regardez la porte et utilisez l'icône main pour vous hisser dehors. Ok, il a réussi à sortir. Donc c'est vraiment le tout début de l'épisode. regarde. Ok.
Officer?
Il est vraiment trop sensible.
God damn. Officer? God damn.
Pardon. Les alcools. Allez. On va prendre le fusil.
Looks empty. It'll be easier to carry with these cuffs off.
Ouais, il faut que je prenne les clés. Des menottes qui sont sûrement sur lui. Là, les voilà.
Shit.
Putain, moi, je me sens mal. Ça va, bon. J'ouvre. Ok. Oh putain, c'était belle.
Officer? Holy shit! What in the hell?
Une fausse arme.
Get away from me!
Je le prends.
Where the hell are you?
Ok.
Don't make me do this!
Putain, ce jeu est tellement sensible. Mais il a pas l'air non trop de prise. Là, j'ai tiré, c'était un peu à gauche. Ok. Premier trophée.
His skin's all rotten and he smells like shit. What the hell is this?
What the hell is this?
Dead? Hey! Are you dead?
Mais la petite tête, qu'est-ce que tu veux qu'il fasse? D'accord, je peux le relever ou quoi? Hein? Voilà.
Help! Go get someone!
Ah, c'est la gamine.
There's been a shooting!
Là, il se passe une sacrée. Putain, tu dois la merde. Plus rien. Super. Donc là, on vient le tout début de Walking Dead, donc c'est l'épisode 1, et après on voit que c'est une musique.
Hello? Anybody?
Attendez. 2 secondes.
Help!
Bon,
I wonder if anybody's home.
je me demande s'il y a quelqu'un à la maison. Attendez 2 petites minutes.
Somebody! Yell if you can hear me! I wonder if anybody's home. Hello? Anybody home? I need a little help. Hello? There's something going on.
Bon, je vais rentrer hein, là les gars.
Coming in. Don't shoot, okay? Ah! Shit. Hello? I'm not an intruder. Or one of them. These people might need more help than I do.
Ils sont partis vite parce que le gamine était en train de colorier et ils sont partis en courant. Elle vous a une petite écorne.
Jesus.
Quelque chose me dit que...
Maybe there's something on there.
3 new messages.
Pardon.
Message 1, left at 5:43 p.m.
Hey, Sandra. This is Diana. We're still in Savannah. Ed had a little incident with some crazy guy near the hotel, so we had to get him back to the ER and have it checked out. Anyway, he's not feeling well enough to drive back tonight, so we're staying an extra day. Thanks so much for looking after Clementine, and I promise we'll be back in time before your spring break.
Message 2, left at 11:19 p.m.
Oh my God, finally. I don't know if you tried to reach us. All the calls are getting dropped. They're not letting us leave and aren't telling us anything about Atlanta. Please, please, just leave the city and take Clementine with you back to Murrieta. I've got to get back to the hospital. Please let me know that you're safe.
Message 3, left at 6:51 a.m.
Clementine, baby. If you can hear this, call the police. That's 911. We love you. We love you. We love you.
Donc, c'est la merde.
Daddy?
Huh?
Ah, mais allez quoi. Vas-y. Parce que hein? Ah non, c'est pas un couteau, c'est un talkie.
Hello?
You need to be quiet.
Who is this?
I'm Clementine. This is my house.
Hi, Clementine. I'm Lee.
You're not my daddy.
No, I'm not.
Ok. Du coup, j'ai pas eu le temps de regarder le reste qu'il y avait dans la cuisine. Prendre le talkie.
Where are your parents?
They took a trip and left me with Sandra. They're in Savannah, I think. Where the boats are?
Where are you?
I'm outside in my treehouse. They can't get in.
That's smart.
See? Can you see me? I can see you through the window.
Hello. Ah non! Putain, mais là aussi, il va me... Laissez-moi tuer. Encore un petit. Un dernier pour la route. Pour être sûr. Donc je pense que c'est Sandra ou Sarah. Ah,
Man,
babysitter de Clementine.
hi there.
Did you kill it?
Bah ouais.
Yes,
Bah oui.
It's okay. I think she was a monster.
I think so too. You've been all by yourself through this?
Yeah, I want my parents to come home now.
I think that might be a little while, you know?
Oh,
Look, I don't know what happened, but I'll look after you until then.
what should we do now?
Chercher de l'aide avant la
We
nuit.
need to find help before it gets dark.
Yeah, it's not safe at night.
Oui, of course.
Let's go. Stay close to me.
Si on restait dans la maison, il serait venu de toute façon la nuit, je suppose, non? Encore essayer pas. Ça vient de sauvegarder. Je peux pas aller là? Je regarde toujours s'il n'y a rien autour de moi. Je sais pas aller de l'autre côté.
Man,
I ain't never getting home to Mama at this rate.
this sucks.
Oh, it's hot this night.
Qu'est-ce qu'on fait là? On va les voir? Allez, on va.
What's the matter?
Should I stay?
What?
I don't want to sleep in the treehouse tonight, but I don't know if I should leave. What if my parents come home?
On devrait leur laisser un mot.
I
Je ne vais
won't
pas
leave
te
you alone.
laisser seule.
Well, let's go somewhere safe that's close, okay?
That's
Yes.
a good idea. Hey, man!
Holy shit!
Don't eat us! We're not gonna hurt you.
Phew. Thought for a second you and the little one were both gonna give us the chomp.
Do you know what the hell this is?
No idea. So you've seen them then?
You could say that.
I'm Sean. Sean Green.
Lee, this is Clementine.
Clementine.
I'm Chet.
We shouldn't be out in the open like this. How about you help us clear the way, and we'll take you and your daughter out of here and down to my family's farm. It should be safer there.
I'm not a dad. I'm
Un voisin.
a neighbor. Her parents are out of town.
Let's get going. Staying put for too long is a mistake.
What do you want to do?
The monsters come out. We gotta go.
Allez, on go.
Leave, quick. Let's go.
Allez, on va poster. Ah mais il va me faire pousser combien de fois. Allez les gars, on est parti.
Were any of those guys neighbors too?
Ok, donc ça télécharge ça à sauvegarder. C'est pas mal, attends que je joue.
Hey, Sean, I'm gonna run on home. My mama's gonna be in a snit.
No sweat, man. I'll catch you tomorrow night.
It was nice to meet you both.
Ok.
Thank God you're okay.
I was worried it'd be bad here, too.
Been quiet as usual the past couple days. Old Brecken down the way thinks his mare's gone lame, but that ain't nothing new.
I wouldn't have made it back without Chet.
Well, I'm glad you took him with you then. You've brought a couple guests.
We, need a place to stay.
You're welcome to stay here, but just for the night. I don't run a bed and breakfast. So it's just you and your daughter then?
Oh, not his daughter. He was her neighbor.
Honey, do you know this man?
Yes.
Okay,
putain, j'ai
then.
eu peur d'un coup.
Well, looks like you hurt your leg pretty bad there.
Yeah, it's not doing so good.
I can help you out. Sean, run on in and check on your sister. You, take a seat up on the porch and I'll go see what I have. Let's have a look. Yeah,
Ils ont de bonnes
this is
expressions de
swollen
figure.
to hell.
Ça fait un mal de chien, ça pourrait être pire, c'est pas si
Not too
grave.
bad.
Tough guy, huh? What did you say your name was?
Peu importe.
Doesn't matter, right?
Huh. Well, if you're gonna be here overnight, I'm gonna need it. Unless you'd rather hit the road.
It's Lee.
Well, Lee, just Lee, I'll take it.
Herschel?
I'm Herschel Green. How'd this happen?
Je suis en sautant dans un accident de voiture.
That's so. Where are you headed before the car accident?
I was getting out of Atlanta.
The news says stay.
Yeah, well, that's a mistake. We hit a guy. One of those things you've been hearing about. On the road.
Who are you with? The girl?
Nobody.
Is that so?
Yeah, it is.
You said we. That's all. House is full up with mine. We got another displaced family of 3 sleeping in the barn. You and your daughter are welcome to rest there, and we're done here.
Eh, on est chez Herschel,
I
mais
didn't catch your
Herschel de
name,
Walking
darling.
Dead, le vrai.
Clementine.
Can't imagine what you've been through, Clementine.
I'm looking after her until we find her parents.
Hey, Dad. So I'm thinking, first thing tomorrow, we gotta reinforce the fence around the farm.
That doesn't seem necessary.
I don't know what you saw on TV or heard on the radio, but there's some serious, Shit hitting the fan. I don't think anyone knows how big it is yet.
Your son's right. You're gonna want to fortify this place.
Stuff like that doesn't happen around here, Sean.
Dad, I'm serious. Lee, come on. Tell him what you saw out there, man.
Yes, of course.
I got chased by a couple of dead people.
Putain, je trouve que le
Well,
temps
do
pour
what you
choisir
think
la,
you should.
la phrase
We
est
got
vraiment
plenty of
trop
chores
rapide.
as it is.
J'ai à peine le
Lee and
temps.
those folks in the barn can help out in the morning. We gotta do it. Really.
I already said okay. Well, I'm all done here. It should start to feel better tomorrow.
Thanks.
If your leg gets hot or the swelling doesn't go down, you're probably dealing with an infection.
What do we do then?
We'll probably just have to shoot you. We'll clean it, redress it, and you'll be fine.
Okay, that'd be preferable.
There's blankets and such in the barn. We'll be seeing you bright and early. Come tomorrow, which way you think you're headed?
Towards Macon, I suppose. All right, then.
It smells like...
Bonnie.
I know what it smells like.
duty. I missed my mom and dad.
I bet.
How far is Savannah?
Pretty far.
Oh, okay.
I love you, baby.
Petit cauchemar,
Hey,
petit cauchemar.
get up.
I'm itchy.
Well, you slept in a barn, little lady. Lucky you don't have spiders in your hair. But I bet your daddy scared them all away, huh?
I'm, not her dad. Name's Lee.
I'm Kenny.
Dad, we're in the middle of a fence. There's a tractor and everything.
We better get going, or we won't hear the end of it. That's my boy, Ken Jr. We call him Duck, though.
Duck.
Doc?
Yeah, nothing bothers him. Like water off a duck's back, you know?
Putain, le choix est vraiment trop rapide, quoi.
No kidding. But frankly, I think it's because he's dumb as a bag of hammers.
Dad!
But he makes up for it with enthusiasm. The word is you were on your way to Macon.
My family's from there.
Well, Macon's on the way, and personally, I'd appreciate the company of a guy who can knock a couple of heads together if he has to.
I'll see what the girl would like.
Ah, gotta consult the missus. I understand. Honey, Duck, this is Lee. And, what's the girl's name?
Clementine.
Clementine.
That is a very pretty name.
Thanks.
Well, we should get to work. We've all seen what those things can do out there, so the faster we get this fence up, the better.
I want to build a fence.
Yeah? Well, I need a good foreman. You can sit on the tractor and yell at me whenever I take a water break.
On the tractor? Cool!
Duck and I will hop to it.
I can keep an eye on your little girl here on the porch. We can visit.
Ok. Je peux leur parler ou quoi? Parler.
Hey there, girls. How did you handle getting through the city?
Kenny just drove. We passed so many people that needed help, and we just passed people. Over some, just...
It's okay. It's fine. You don't have to say anymore.
I want to go home tomorrow. But even then, I can't take away the things Doc went through. Don't you want to go back to the moment before you knew about all of this?
Anybody in their right mind would. Families and barbecues and beers with good friends.
All of those things.
Those are the things we live for, right? With those gone, what's the point? So, what do you do when corpses aren't walking around?
I'm a veterinarian back in Fort Lauderdale. Like Herschel here, except more with dogs and cats and not horses. What is it that you do, Lee?
I used to teach up at the University of Georgia.
We need to hope that we can go back to our jobs soon, Lee. Back to normal. It can't stay like this.
Ça peut pas durer. Ah bah si.
No, I used to. I was let go a little while back.
That's too bad. Well, I hear people always clamor back to college after a big disaster. People don't want to die ignorant, I guess.
You two actually look relaxed.
I think we're doing just fine. Clementine was just telling me about first grade.
Oh, how was that?
It's easy.
Well, yeah. So, you're good?
Anyway, it's almost like we didn't see people eating each other for the past 3 days. It's peaceful here, no?
Back in a bit.
Okay, Lee.
Vous avez appris que Clémentine est en CP?
You having a nice time with Katya, Clementine?
Yeah.
Hey, back in a bit.
Okay, Lee.
Il y a mon chat qui s'est mis devant.
Back in a bit.
Okay, Lee.
Ok, Lee. Qu'est-ce qu'on va faire?
Did your daddy give you that hat?
Do you have to go to the bathroom or anything like that?
Lee, the young woman can take care of herself.
Yeah, okay. Back in a bit.
Okay, Lee.
Il y a mon chat qui est juste devant la télé et elle veut pas dégager. Oh, il y a un petit problème avec... Ouh. Le gamin. Elle duck.
How you doing, Duck?
Good. I'm gonna drive the tractor. I'm the foreman. Lift with your back, Sean.
Sean's still working on that fence.
Hey, Lee.
Need a hand?
That'd be great. If you could cut those 2x to length, that'd sure speed things up.
Ok.
My dad doesn't know how bad it is.
No, he doesn't.
I saw a guy in Atlanta kill a kid. A boy. Just shot him right in the face. He didn't even hesitate. He just turned, put the barrel of the gun right between the kid's eyes, and pulled the trigger. You don't see things like that. It's not like in the movies.
They don't fall like you think.
Did you have to do it?
Do what?
Kill. Have you had to off one yet?
Oh, I had to shoot one.
I could shoot one. Maybe. If it were far away.
Non, mais sérieux, pour le shot, ça
I'm
va
just
beaucoup
glad
trop
we're getting
vite,
this
quoi.
fence built. Dad just wants to keep the family safe and thinks inviting people in is a bigger threat than whatever's out there. How about
Rachel,
yours?
quoi.
How's your family?
Not too close on my family.
Oh. Well, they weren't in Atlanta, right? So that's good. That's probably all I need cut for now. Thanks.
Ok.
Do you, think this thing will keep him out?
Not yet. I'm planning on coming back through on a fortification pass, if you will. We'll lock this place up good.
Il a raison, de toute façon, c'est comme ça que la ferme d'Herschel a tenu si longtemps, quoi. Je regarde s'il n'y a rien d'autre. Et là, dans le Puyal... La Puyal... Je ne sais pas le dire.
He seems like an alright dude.
Méfions-nous quand même.
Hey there, Kenny.
C'est quoi le plan? Comment va ton fils sortir? Tu as besoin d'aide? C'est quoi
So
le
what's
plan?
your family's plan?
Get back on down to Lauderdale and let this mess get sorted out. Government will start handing out shots and the National Guard will do its thing. On the odd chance things got too bad, we could hop on my boat, I
Le
guess.
gouvernement va distribuer des armes, sérieusement?
I'm a commercial fisherman, catching mackerel, dolphin, whatever's biting and paying. Katya wouldn't be wild about it, but the boat's not that bad.
Je m'étonne que Katya n'est pas fan de Sen Veto.
How's your son doing?
Good, I think. Katya's got a sister up in Memphis. We were coming back from visiting her. We were in a gas station and some guy grabbed my boy.
Huh.
I thought he was kidnapping him. I was on the fucker in about 2 seconds and... Christ. Just lucky I was there. We saw a lot of bodies before we stumbled upon Herschel's. But we're a tough family, Lee. Ain't nothing gonna phase us.
Tu as besoin d'aide?
Need any help?
No, I think I got it.
Ok.
You need any help?
Comme tu veux, mec.
What do you mean?
I mean, in taking care of that little girl. You know what you're doing? You got kids of your own?
I have no idea what I'm doing.
At least you're honest. Shit. Better than I was when Duck showed up. You'll figure it out.
See you.
Yo. Il y a Herschel dans la grange. Coucou Herschel.
You should know that if you weren't leaving with Kenny today, I wouldn't stand for your lack of honesty last night.
I'm not sure I'd follow.
A man asks you your name, you give it, unless that name is no good. How'd you get out of Atlanta?
I got a ride and then I was in a wreck. I walked until your boy found me.
Well, you're no worse for wear.
This farm's a nice plot of
T'as
land.
pas l'air abîmé, il a la
If you
jambe
told me
cassée.
20 years ago I'd still be doing this, I would have told you that you were full of crap. Never was a plan, having a place like this. It was in the family, and I guess so was I. Family's important. It's all that matters. You agree with that?
Was brought up to, yes.
Where's your family now? Parents? Wife? Girlfriend?
My parents are in Macon with my brother.
Well, I hope they're all right. But now you've got this little girl to take care of. Clementine, is it? You just stumbled up on her?
Yes.
I was being attacked and she came to my rescue.
Can I give you a piece of advice?
Sure.
I don't know who you are or what you did. Let's say things don't get better back in the cities, or they get worse before they do. You're gonna have to depend on the honesty of strangers if you're gonna make it. And if those same people get to questioning yours, you're gonna be in trouble. But at least you have the common sense to listen to a man giving you advice.
Putain, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Go! I'll get my gun!
Non, sérieusement? Tu dois te sauver, soit lui, laisse-moi-le.
I got you.
Kenny, help Lee!
Putain, quoi. l'a mordu.
I'm okay, Pop. I'm okay.
I can fix you, don't worry. We'll stitch you up.
It almost got me, man. Lee tried to save me.
I know, son.
D'office, je préfère me mettre bien avec Herschel, parce que Herschel, si c'est comme le Herschel de Walking Dead, la série, eh ben, vaut mieux se mettre bien avec lui, hein. Même si l'autre avait un bateau et tout.
Get the fuck out of here!
I'm sorry.
Sorry?
Your son is alive.
You don't get to be sorry. You tried to help him, but this piece of shit let him die.
You can't blame Kenny.
The hell I can't. You watch your back. Wait until it's your daughter and you need his help.
Please. Just go.
Get out and never come back.
Tout le monde se regarde.
You've got that ride to Macon if you want it.
Du coup, c'est ça, le choix que j'ai fait, c'est que je me retrouve de nouveau seule avec elle, alors que j'aurais pu partir avec la famille. Mais de toute façon, c'est à Atlanta qu'on va aller. Attends pas. Merde, ce qu'elle a dit.
Well, this is as far as we're going.
And it's far enough.
Look!
Hey there, you friendly?
Ça a sauvegardé, je
Truck's run
vais
out of
m'arrêter
gas.
ici.
Fuck!
Je vais m'arrêter ici.
We're trapped!
Run!
Ok, voilà, ça a sauvegardé.
We
Je vais
can't
m'arrêter
take risks
ici
like
pour la
this.
partie.
And we can't just let people die either. When I say that door stays shut no matter what, I fucking mean it. We don't know who these people are. They could be dangerous.
Worse, they could have let him right to us.
Where the hell is your humanity?
We have kids with us.
I see one little girl.
What is it?
I have to pee.
I'd go out there again in a second.
I bet you would.
They've
On
got
va
kids,
t'attendre.
Lily.
Those things outside don't care.
Maybe you should go join them then. You'll have something in common. God damn it, Lily. You have to control these people.
Carly and Glenn just ran out there.
I don't give a flying fuck. We're in a war
Alors, je vais
zone.
arrêter là, sinon je vais encore en repartir
Lee,
pour je sais pas
can you
combien de
believe
temps.
this lady? That lady's
Donc
my
c'est tout.
daughter.
Je
I can see
quitte
the resemblance.
maintenant. Oui, j'ai quitté. Donc, c'est la première fois que je joue à The Walking Dead PS4, le jeu PS4, et c'est pas mal, sympa, le design est bien. Le jeu fait, il y a des choix, c'est sympa. Au contraire de Life is Strange, on ne sait pas revenir en arrière. Mais ce qui me dérange dans ces choix-là, c'est qu'il y a un timer et que ce timer est vraiment trop long. Trop rapide, je veux dire. Pardon. Parfois, ça laisse même pas le temps de tout lire convenablement. Il faut déjà choisir. Si on ne choisit pas et choisir à notre place, ça c'est embêtant. Le héros a l'air sympa. Je préfère le rendre le plus gentil possible. La gamine aussi est sympa. Là, on a déjà vu quelques personnages qu'on connaît déjà par la série. Donc, on a vu Herschel. Bon, Herschel. Et on vient de voir Glenn. Donc, l'asiatique de la série. Et voilà. Voilà, c'était une première partie. Une petite découverte assez sympa. Je trouve ça sympa. On se retrouve bientôt pour la suite.